Okay, so we're going to go ahead and turn it on. It starts up really quick, just takes a couple seconds. The magic happens and it's done. Okay, so when you get your projector and you turn it on for the first time, you're going to go into the settings and you're going to go to the keystone correction to set it up for your wall. When it starts to set up your wall, it's going to change the projector settings to match your wall. If it's a big wall, it'll make it big. If it's small, it'll make it small, and then it will automatically adjust the focus. And if it's not perfect, you can come in here, you can change a few of the corners to match the lines up. And that's it. After that, go back to the home screen. You can watch any of the video subscription services you have, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, YouTube, Apple TV, anything you want. We watch music videos on there because surprisingly, the speakers in this are amazing. They're Harman Kardon speakers and they sound wonderful. I'll show you an example in the video that we're going to watch. It's a 4K video. It's got beautiful audio, beautiful video. You won't be able to tell because we're recording the video through a camera, but it truly is amazing. With a picture this big, it's like going to the movies.
Kai's so tiny on that chair.
もうそのくらい？いつもそのくらい？
とも。ここ入れていい？バナナス。
ママはトマトのジャムをします。
One by one する。Perfectly。
いちごは？いちごミックスしない。
いちごダメ。バナナだけ。ト
マトのジャム美味しいよ。
ヌテラとバナナだけ。
いつもよね。
バナナ美味しいから。これ難しい。もう一個。
ママがビデオ見てる。
I used almost all the bananas. これ難しいトゥースだから。
ヌテラとバナナ合う？そんなに。
お、本当に。
いちごよりも。
OK。ブリトーフォードバナナバリトーヌテラいつもなんかフォロポートする
もうガブって食べていいよ合うやっぱり、で少しでいっぱいになっちゃった、でいつもこうやってで今日はトマトのねジャムをかけます。トマトジャムダディも好きよね。ねたっぷりいこうかな今日は。はい。
いっぱい。 I'm so cute. I'm
Yeah.
just waiting.
The press is watching us.
I gotta get every piece. Oh, what? Okay.
はい、ちょっとだけね、お塩をかけます。はい。あと様子見ながら食べながらしようか。で、ブラックペッパー。はい、混ぜるだけです。いい香りね。
Smell strong.
ねえ、ちょっと食べてみる？味見してみる？うん。利用してみて。
Party night.
I wanna have a beach house there.
Okay, Sophie, we're gonna have a competition. So you can get the furthest in Crossy Road. The winner gets a cookie.
Okay.
The loser probably gets a cookie too, let's be
Yeah.
fair. Okay, watch out, watch out.
Oh!
Oh my goodness, that makes me nervous. And that's a fast train. Hit it! Oh, you should have been brave. Go, 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 go!
No, no, no.
Oh my goodness! I guess. Oh!
52.
So, I'm the champion.
No, you are not.
Really cool. I would love to go scuba diving there.
I don't want to go scuba diving ever.
Really?
No.
It's really peaceful.